We live in a period of big changes. New challenges have emerged. An increasing demand for more efficiency, a better quality and sustainability requires manufacturing industry players to become better every day. The demand for higher precision is a factual need across a variety of segments. GF Machining Solutions research into extreme accuracy and decades of experience give rise to the best wire EDM machine ever conceived. I am proud to present the new Serie CUT X. Extreme accuracy, simple and fast. The beautiful housing design of the CUT X goes beyond aesthetics. It allows first-degree insulation from the external environment, improving the machine thermal stabilization, which is even optimized thanks to active cooling of the major heat-generating components and clever management of the heat flow. A thermocompensation system based on artificial intelligence algorithms and sophisticated sensors further reduces temperature impact, compensating for axis deformation. The result? Ultra-high pitch accuracy. The CUT X reaches ±1 micron positioning accuracy in an environmental temperature change of ±2.5 degrees over 12 hours. Extreme accuracy, simple and fast. Two wide sliding front doors offer full machine access. The table can be reached from two sides, by both the machine operator and the automation robots. Yes, the CUT X is automation ready, further extending its productivity. The CUT X's performance is impressive. The machine can reach a contour accuracy of ±1 micron. The machine also produces superbly uniform surface finishes. Such results are achieved through better control of the sparks and a new wire circuit. These two aspects allowed the development of a unique set of dedicated CUT X technologies, enabling the highest accuracy and the fastest cutting speed ever seen. Extreme accuracy, simple and fast. Great effort went into redesigning the heads. They are now 3D printed. Both upper and lower heads are more compact and allow the machining of highly intricate parts. Furthermore, 3D printing makes it possible to achieve perfect flushing performance thanks to the very complex shape of the flushing channels, which minimizes reduction in water pressure. Inside the upper and lower heads, we find a new concept of interchangeable cartridges, featuring a reduced distance, only 6 mm between the wire guides and the workpiece. For the first time ever, the operator can switch from closed guides to open guides in just a few minutes. The CUT X features an upgraded version of the well-known twin wire and automatic wire changer functionalities. This allows the machining of rough and finishing cuts with different wire types and diameters. Furthermore, the CUT X's wire annealing ensures the most reliable wire threading. Extreme accuracy, simple and fast. The CUT X's exceptional performance is achieved not only through outstanding hardware. Uniqua, GF Machining Solutions' new HMI is key to unleashing the machine's full potential. Uniqua offers incredibly flexible job management through a user-friendly and intuitive interface. The HMI can be adapted to the operator rather than vice versa, making it accessible even to less experienced operators. For example, Uniqua allows both sequential and object-oriented programming. Extreme accuracy, simple and fast. Besides all these notable characteristics, the CUT X features all the latest functionalities of GF Machining Solutions' next generation of wire EDM machines, like SparkTrack ISPS to prevent wire breakage, SmartWire for clever and optimized wire management, and our R-Connect digital service, allowing remote support and monitoring. The CUT X also features an advanced version of our anti-collision system, which further increases the machine's reliability. An important note: the performance of the CUT X is achieved in the most efficient way possible. It's the most sustainable wire EDM machine ever conceived by GF Machining Solutions. We significantly reduced both power and wire consumption. Now that you've had a taste of GF Machining Solutions' latest high-end wire EDM machine, we invite you to check our website and our social media channels to discover even more. CUT X, extreme accuracy, simple and fast.